Hi, good morning. So today I'm gonna make banana cake with a twist. I'm gonna put some espresso or coffee inside. So let's start. I'm gonna put our flour. I need 210 flour. And then next we're gonna need our sugar. I need 170, but I'm just gonna put 100 because I don't like that it would be too sweet. So I think that 100 is okay, but actually you need 170 grams of sugar. Then I'm gonna add our 1 pack of baking powder. And I wanted also to add some vanilla sugar. I like it. Then just gonna mix our dry ingredients together. Add hazelnut. Then let's mix. And this time we're gonna add 4 eggs. So 4 eggs, and then I'm gonna put our banana, mashed banana. Actually it came from the freezer, that's why it looks like that, but it's still good. And then we're gonna mix it. Then I'm gonna get our coffee. So this is our coffee, 75 ml. I'm gonna pour it here. And next I'm gonna add our melted butter. Actually you need 210 grams of butter, but I will just use 100 grams of butter, and I'm gonna just adjust it using earth oil, or how you call earth is peanut oil. I'm just gonna adjust it because I know that butter is a lot of fattening. That's why I'm adjusting it everything. So let's mix. So this is already our mixture. I will just add maybe 3 tablespoons of oil, and then we're gonna start baking. I'm gonna add my peanut oil, earth oil. I'm gonna add just a little. So 1, 2, so 3 tablespoons, and then we're gonna mix it again. I'm gonna use this form for our cake. I'll just put here the baking paper, and this side I will just rub with some fat. So you can see I already rub our butter around. Then gonna pour our mixture. So let's gonna bake this for 40 minutes, 180 degrees. So our 40 minutes is over. I'm gonna check our cake if it's already done. No more sticking. It's not wet anymore. So our cake is done. Our cake, it's very quick, it's very easy, and you don't need so much ingredients. I hope you can try it at home. I already tried a little. It's not so sweet. You can still taste the banana and the coffee. It's very delicious. Try it at home. Thank you. Bye.